So sidechain is really important in house, garage music, bass music in general, and this is how I set it every single time because it works. I have template for it, and that's great basically. So I have a sidechain kick MIDI track with this click for sidechain loaded on. You can find this in the link in the description down below. So this is the shortest kind of sample that you can make within Ableton Live, at least that's what I managed to create. And because sometimes using other kind of short clicks, they have kind of dirty envelopes and they don't make the whole pumping as clean as this one. So I have this sidechain kick that is being fed by the kick channels. So I program my kick via MIDI, and basically the sidechain kick is being triggered by the kick channel. So I don't have to program them 2 times. Every time I just change everything, whatever, in the kick channel, the same behavior is being replicated in the sidechain kick channel. And then I mute the channel. So I keep the sampler on. You can see it here. It's on, and then I just mute the track. And this way, whenever I just want to sidechain something, let's go to like the instruments here. I have this one, so I can just go to sidechain kick and have the cleanest thing I can imagine. Look at how tight, how clean it is. If I lengthen the release, we can see how clean it is. So you don't have to rely on envelopers, volume envelopers anymore, or at least you don't really depend on them anymore. If you want like a clean curve, this one is enough for most applications. The pro tip about this thing, especially if you are working with Ableton Live, is to use the Live 8 compressor, and you can find it at the link in the description down below. You just have to download it, import it in your session, you save it in your collection, and that's it. It works, it's compatible, and it's great because it doesn't click. The new kind of iteration of the Live compressor, which has been introduced with probably Ableton Live or 9.7, it causes clicks when working with sub bass and bass, and there's no way, unless you just like give it crazy attack times, work with smaller ratios, whatever, that's not the way. You're just like giving up on the accuracy that the Live 8 compressor brings to the table. I also have the sidechain set for the snare. Sometimes I use it, most of the times I don't use it, but it's there in my template and ready to be used. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.